Are you in charge of a big software demonstration and don't know how to show practical examples of the processes you're completing? Do you have a YouTube channel that requires you to capture a video of you completing a project or perhaps recording your gaming session? Well, I'm here to demonstrate how to utilize some of OBS Studio's free software to capture everything you do on your computer and export it to your choice of editing program. In this example, I will be demonstrating how to open the recording in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, you'll want to bring up your preferred web browser and go to obsproject.com. Once you get there, you'll be able to choose from Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Go ahead and pick which one you like, download and install, and we'll get going. Once you have it installed, start the program and we're ready to begin. Now, this may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't be alarmed. The only thing you need to concern yourself with are our sources, our mic and our monitor, our audio mixer, which shows our audio levels, and we've got our controls where we can stream or record. Up top is just our display panel, shows our desktop and what we're recording. Once we start recording, we'll show our timer down here, and when you're ready to stop, you just hit the stop recording button, and we're ready to import to Premiere. We open up Premiere and we're going to start a new project. We're going to select the video that we just recorded. And we'll create a new project. Once you're in here, you'll see your video down here, and we can bring it up there where we can view it and begin the editing process. Thank you.